Hello again, this is David from SoftPlanet, and we're going to look over Chromium, a sleek, lightweight web browser that provides an efficient browsing experience with no unnecessary clutter. Unlike other browsers, Chromium does not need to be installed. The browser arrives as a large zip file and must be decompressed first. Once you do this, the only thing you must do next is run the exe file you will find inside, and that is it. Chromium will immediately start and will take you to your favorite web pages instantly. Chromium does not need to be uninstalled, as the program does not need to be installed in the first place. All you need to do to get rid of this software, should you choose to do so, is delete the folder it resides in after the decompression process finishes. Chromium is an open-source web browser that has been around for more than 5 years, yet it somehow lacks publicity and hence a larger market share. This web browser is the foundation of Google's Chrome web browser. Google's programmers simply took its source code, added enhancements and more features to it, and that is how Chrome was developed. Chromium is a fully functional web browser that provides almost the same performance and functionality that Google Chrome provides. The design philosophy of Chromium is based on low system requirements and fast operations, and this is one of the reasons why this browser is so basic yet functional. One of the most interesting things about Chromium is the fact that this browser does not need to be installed. It comes as a compressed zip file, and all you need to do is decompress it before you can run the program. Once the decompression process is finished, you will discover that Chromium resides in a folder with everything it needs to run. Chromium very strongly resembles Google Chrome inside and out, save for different logos and color schemes. Chromium is also extremely light and fast and works just fine with any and all web content. Chromium looks like Chrome, so much so that you could easily mistake it for Chrome just dyed blue. This means that if you're used to using Chrome, then you will be instantly comfortable with Chromium too. The browser offers you a huge web page window topped by the address bar, which also serves as a search bar. You will see the basic browser buttons in the upper left corner with back, forward, and reload stop buttons present. All extended options are located in the upper right corner, where you can work with bookmarks, the browser history, downloads, settings, and more. Chromium obviously does not display links to various Google services on its homepage like Chrome does. Chromium works like any other web browser. Run the application and enter a web page address in the address bar, or use it as a search engine to find the information that you need. You can start surfing the web just like with any other browser. You will not see any significant difference between Chrome and Chromium or Firefox or Internet Explorer. Add bookmarks, look at the browser history, change settings, play videos. It's up to you, and Chromium is there to do it for you. Chromium is an excellent web browser that will work just fine for you if you are tired of the popular browsers out there and you are looking for a new software tool to surf the web. It strongly resembles Google Chrome, although in reality things are opposite, and we should say that Chrome resembles Chromium, as Google Chrome is extensively built on Chromium code. So rest assured you can use Chromium just fine and be happy with it. Check out the full review on SoftPlanet.com as always, and download it if you so desire by clicking on the link in the description below and following the instructions on the SoftPlanet page. Thank you kindly.